Check in the text below, and also in the comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Do you really like putting your Christmas tree up every year and having to take it down? I don't mind putting it up as much as I do taking it down. As you can see, it's January the 21st and mine's still up because the thought of taking all those ornaments off and putting them in my storage bag that I bought that I really did like from last year. A couple of years ago. There's a video on my YouTube channel about that. I really like that bag, but still have to take everything off the tree. And so I researched and found that they have these tree storage covers, and I'm hoping that this one fits and I can just take the flowers off of my tree and just slip this on top of it, slide it into an unused bedroom, and then later this year just bring it out, uncover it, put my flowers back on. See if it really works. Kim Townsel here. Stick around. So this is from Honey Can Do HCD. It's an upright tree storage cover. It's supposed to be able to store your fully decorated tree. Fits most 7 to 7.5 feet high artificial trees. Don't try to put a live tree underneath this. Lightweight with easy access zipper. Here's your dimensions. It's supposed to be 88 inches tall. And about 60 inches this way. Here's the manufacturer's information and their website. And here's some more information that's on the back of the box. Very shiny. I was only able to find it in red. I couldn't find one in green. And actually, since the bedroom that I'm putting it in is green and black, I would prefer to have found a green one or a black one. But I'm going to see what it looks like in there if this does work. And probably just cover it with some black scarves or something like that. So it's fully enclosed at the top. It has like a little circle sewn in the top. Has a zipper. Goes all the way down. It undoes like a jacket, I believe. Yep. It seems to be made pretty well. Seems to be made pretty well. It has flat filled seams in here. I think I saw some handles over here. Don't know if those, yep, there's a handle. There's a handle right there. So that pull. Let's see if this works. So I'm going to take all of my flowers off because I think that when I zip it up, it's going to scooch them up a little bit. And it's probably going to smash my flowers a little bit. So I'm going to take the flowers off. These. Flower. That was pretty easy. Now I need to start at the bottom and zip it up. plenty long enough for my tree. This part could be a little bit thicker. That was easy. Fully and totally contained top to bottom. Yes. Didn't even have to squish the branches up. So it does have handles. I can pull it if I need to. Probably be easier with two people to carry it in there. But since it's just me, I'll make do. Now here comes the tricky part. How easy is this going to be to move into the next room? It seems like it'd be easier if it had handles down here as well. But it doesn't. There has to be an easier way. There has to be a trick or two, and I did not know what it was before I tried to move this. Please tell me what the secret is. Please. Maybe I needed to get a tree cover that forced me to close the limbs up. Maybe having one that would have ties around the widest part of the tree would help. Maybe having one that would have a strap that goes on the bottom of the tree to help pull it like a handle. Maybe having more handles on it would help. I don't know. Tell me what I missed. I'm learning. Yay! Was this a good idea? So have it in the bedroom, lying down. Now I've got to see if I can get it in this corner. I think it fell apart. Yeah, the top separated from the bottom. Sure did. Sure did. I gotta put it back together regardless. I don't know. Maybe not a great idea. That part all over again. Where's the tree? I'm covered in glitter and a bunch of stuff fell off. It is in here. There's got to be an easier way. Please tell me your tips. But you know what? At least I won't have to decorate the whole thing next year. Well, I'm not sure if that was any less aggravating than having to decorate the whole tree. All of that fell off. Not really sure what condition the tree is underneath that. Plus, it's taking up a lot of space in my bedroom. And I'm hoping it doesn't fall over whoever sleeps on this bed. On the plus side, I can plug it in. I want to have a night light. Still not happy with this solution. Thanks for watching my video review of the Christmas tree cover. Remember you can look in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy this or one similar. And if you've used one like this, and if you have some positive or negative comments about it, please let us know so that we can help each other have better solutions to better living. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to subscribe to my channel. It's free to watch another video. And until we meet again, let's just continue to help each other make life easier. Bye.